I will show you what a lot of kids write when they have the task to make the platforms reappear from the bottom of the playing field when they hit the top. So of course we need an if, and when its condition is true, we need to put the platform back on the bottom of the playing field, and we know that it's on 600y. But some kids think about one more thing. Well, the platform is 20 pixels high, so if we don't want the platform to be outside of the playing field, we need to write plus 20 in order for us to check to set the bottom of the platform on the bottom of the playing field. I hope that you understand that this doesn't work, because on the left side of the equal sign there is evaluation and there should be only one platform, so we need to move this to the right side of the playing field with the opposite sign, I mean minus 20. This is a knowledge we got from the maths classes. So now I need to write the condition when to go down there. So this condition, according to a lot of kids, is whether platform Y, the top of the playing field, is hitting the top of the playing field. So they write this condition, and let's see what is going on now. I'm not really happy with my game now. For some reason, the platform sticks to the bottom of the playing field. I wonder whether if I add console log saying just anything to let me know whether the player is on the bottom. So I can console log teleporting here in order for me to understand whether the condition of the if is true and whether we enter the curly brackets. I'm going to view the developer tools and the console, and let's see that really the platform is always teleporting, and we wanted it to teleport only when it hits the top of the playing field. So I wonder why this happens. This condition should be true only when the platform is over the playing field. Well, I can also print platform Y to understand what is the Y that is apparently bigger than 0 all the time. And yeah, of course, actually it's 580, and I don't want to check whether this big number is bigger than 0, but is it smaller than 0? This is what is going to happen in a few moments, and we will then see the teleport print. I think I'm much happier with what is happening now, but you can see that there are some problems now. For example, the platform disappears too early and enters the playing field with half its size immediately. So I'm not happy how all of the platform is in the playing field initially. And actually I can change this. This was the reason I was thinking so much about this line of code, and I actually broke it because I was scared to create the platform outside of the playing field, but this is exactly what I want, given that the platform is moving. So if I change now, you can see that after it disappears, the platform is slowly emerging from the bottom, And I also need to change when the platform is disappearing. I don't want it to disappear when the top of the platform hits the top of the playing field, but I want it to disappear when the bottom of the platform hits the top of the playing field. Is it a problem that now on the left side there is evaluation? No, because this is not an equal sign, this is a comparison sign, and from both of the sides there can be an evaluation. And I think this is a little bit better. I am happy with this teleporting. I want you to do it not only for this platform, but actually your most urgent task now is to create two new variables, platform x1 and platform y1. Then it's going to be a good reason to create these variables with a new name, platform x0 and platform y0. Strangely, but from now on I will be insist that you start counting not from 1 but from 0. So I want you to start counting the platforms not from 1 but from 0. And I want you to move all of the platforms, not only our old one. I want you to teleport them and to draw them. And all of this is not going to work now that I'm creating one variable with one name, and on all of the spots I'm using another platform that I haven't created and I haven't given its initial value. So change everything in my code so that not only my zeroth broken platform is working, but also the other platform with the number 1 in it.